Welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to work on the edit view, and the edit view will have a form to edit a specific resource. So on the route list, we have different action on that edit view. To view that view, you have to navigate to dashboard/dashboard and then /edit, which you'll be using the get method. And then to update, because we are updating an existing resource, then we have to post to this dashboard.update. So this is the route that we'll be updating to. And then the method or the verb to use is either put or patch. So let's copy the form from the create view because we have the same input field. So copy. And then you're going to add the values so that we can get the value from those values from the database. The next step, let's add the values. So I'm going to select all this input field and then add them. Value. So let's start with the top, that is the job title. So I'm going to copy this job title and use it to another input field. For example, we have job type. So change that to job type. Salary. And then slag. And finally, we have the job description, which is using a text area. Then let's add the form action, that is the routes, which we'll be posting to. So if you look on the route list, we have it will be posting to dashboard.updates. So routes dashboard.update, and then the resource ID, which is job. And then here we are going to add CSRF token field, and then also we are going to do what we call form method spoofing. So because HTML do not support put, patch, or delete actions, so when defining the put, patch, or delete routes that are called from the HTML form, you will need to add a hidden method field to the form. So we're going to use a blade directive, that is method, and then specify the verb that you want to use, either put or patch. Then I'm going to use patch. So this one is post, and then save. The next step, let's go to the dashboard controller and fetch individual job using an ID. So job find by ID. And then compact job, save. So let's navigate to the browser to any of that. So first, let's go to the dashboard, that is the index view. So as you can see here, we have this client who has a job with an ID of 3, 4, 5. So let's add a link, that is a route, on this edit button. So that can be found on the index view, and then on this form, sorry, that button. So let's add that route dashboard dot edit, which is job ID. So let's see, refresh. So now if you click on one of the job posts, you'll be taken to that specific resource. And as you can see, you can be able now to edit, and also everything is showing. That is the values from that job post. So for now, it will not be able to save because we have not implemented the update. That is an update operation. So we need to do that on the dashboard controller. We have this update, because remember, this edit view or this form will be posting to this dashboard.update. So you have to implement that first. So with that, it means it's working. Let's go back, try another one. And as you can see, dashboard / and then the ID of that job post and then edit. So everything is working fine, and I'll see you in the next lecture.